I recently found a new hobby, and as you can see, I'm pretty hooked. Now, I'm going to take anybody who wants to or is interested in winemaking along for the ride. I'm not intending for this to be the I have all the answers. I definitely do not. Instead, I'm going to share how I'm doing things. If you are an expert and you want to chime in, you're free to leave any comments that you want to any of the videos that you want. I'm happy to take advice from other people doing this. I guess the reason I'm starting this channel is because when I was looking around to start and figured out for myself what I need to do, what are best practices, these things, a lot of the information and a lot of the questions I had were just left unanswered. So this is going to be me sharing those little tidbits of the stuff that I'm finding, or some of the best practices that I'm finding, or the things that I wanted to know that I didn't know, or just stumbling blocks along the way. As well, if there's people out there that are hesitant to starting this, I'll show you how easy it can be. This right here is the very first batch of wine that I made. I can't believe how well it turned out. It's a Vineco kit, and I know it's needing age. We literally just bottled this like 2 days ago. But I'm not going to lie, a couple of bottles may have already gone missing. It's good. Yes, it's still a little bit green, but I'm very impressed. For batch number 1, just following kit instructions, I'm happy how it turned out. So I'm going to be doing both kits, and I'll show you how I'm doing the kits. I'll try to always take you guys like step by step, and I'm not sure how long I'll leave it to the end before I do a tasting of it and share that with you. But if there is a recipe, I'll share on the channel. It's going to be start to finish. I'll take you through everything that I do, and some of the things I know I shouldn't be doing, just for lack of a better way of doing it maybe. So I'm eager to get the feedback and to share kind of my experience doing this. So if you want to see somebody go from 0 to a quarter hero, this is probably the right place for you. It's new. I'll try to post at least, once a week, but wine being what it is, I can't promise that, but I will try to keep the channel current and share my experiences and my growth along the way. So if that sounds like you, hit a subscribe on the video, the very first one to the channel, and I look forward to meeting the other people in the hobby.